Hello everybody of YouTube, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. Right, today I picked up a couple of, well, I picked up a packet of 4 actually, brioche buns from Marks and Spencer's today. Got some ingredients there, hopefully you can see. Also, I picked up some different cheese for a change. Some 2-year-old Cornish cruncher. Can't say I've ever had before. So that will be a new experience for me. I'm going to try and get this burger thing to work again. And try and get it right this time. I've still got 2 exceptional quarter pounders beef burgers, so I'm gonna have maybe 1, maybe 2, depends how it turns out. If it turns out well, then I'll have 2, and I might make a double quarter pounder. We'll see how we get on, see how it turns out, and we'll take it from there. Right, I'm just going to open this cheese up, hopefully. Yep. God, it smells nice, that does. Just going to cut a bit off this cheese off. Right, so I've got 1 beef burger. Where's me, right. Just going to chuck that in there like that. Got a spare. Going to cut half a burger, somewhere about there. Just going to make a ball. Going to plonk that in there. Yep, that's not quite worked how I expected. What I'll do instead is I'll just flatten it, hopefully. Consistently the same size, hopefully. Going to add a bit around it, see if I can get this thing to work. Something like that. So it's sort of the same consistency all the way across, if I could get it off of there. There we go. I'll take that off. Hopefully put a dip in it now. That's not really working very well, is it? Okay, well, I'm going to slam some cheese in it anyway. Try and keep it all within there. Try and keep it at the same level. This bit I'm just going to try and flatten it out a bit. Not very well by the looks of it. Might have to use a bit of this other burger. Just trying to get it all pushed in the corners, and hopefully I can just tease it out. I mean, that don't look bad, does it? So it's going to be looking like a Juicy Lucy by the looks of it. Right, let's see if we can get your burger in there. There we go. That don't look bad, does it? There you go. It's cooking. So you can see it. There's a lid on that. Right. And there you go. There's a little burger. Nothing in that one though. Turn that down a bit. Lovely. Well, looks like it might turn out alright, this one. I wonder which cheese is going to be like in the burger. So, I'm going to put a bit of Braxton in this one. Right, I'm about done. All I've done is I've put the brioche in the air fryer for 3 minutes, and I put a bit of Braxton pickle on it, and a bit of cheese as well. Just melted the cheese onto the pickle. Hopefully we're going to have like a double layer of cheese. There's my burger. Might have had a little bit of a leak there, but nothing we can't handle. There's a timer. So, the cheese is oozing. There you go. It's oozed. It's definitely oozing out of there. It looks like a nice cheese, that does. It's quite crispy. It's got the Braxton pickle. It's got the cheese. It's got it all going on in there. Right, let's get into it. So, Braxton pickle, cheese, Cornish crunch, is it? I think it was Cornish crunch. A brioche bun, kerrygold butter, and the burgers. Bob. It's turned out all right. The cheese looks nice. At least it's oozed out a bit. It's still oozing. Mmm. Braxton pickle in a burger, or with a burger, with the cheese. If you like Braxton pickle, yeah, it's really nice. So if you liked the video, give us a like. If you didn't, watch yesterday's. It's very similar, but not the same. And if you like, subscribe. Brilliant, help the channel out no end. Right, enjoy your day, people, and I will see you later. Bye bye.